Sea turtles are among the oldest creatures on Earth, having been around for 110 million years. The sea turtle family consists of 7 different species, including the hawksbill, green, flatback, loggerhead, Kemp's redley, olive redley, and leatherback turtles. Sea turtles can be found all around the world, from the shallow seagrass beds of the Indian Ocean to the colorful reefs of the Coral Triangle. They can also be spotted along shores, which is where they lay their eggs. Sea turtles can actually lay more than 150 eggs at a time. These eggs incubate in the warm sand for about 60 days. The temperature of the sand determines the genders of the baby sea turtles, with cooler sand producing more males and warmer sand producing more females. Once a female lays her eggs, she returns to the sea, leaving her hatchlings to fend for themselves. Unfortunately, fewer than 0.1% of hatchlings survive to adulthood due to the numerous predators on the beach. However, emerging in large numbers increases the chance that some baby turtles might survive. This process has been the natural cycle of the lives of sea turtles for hundreds of millions of years. However, in the past 100 years, humans have affected sea turtles more than the 110 million years that sea turtles have been on Earth. So much so, in 1970, leatherback sea turtles were listed as endangered under the Endangered Species Conservation Act. Since then, all 7 sea turtle species are now threatened with extinction. A demonstration of the dramatic change in the population of sea turtles is the Caribbean Sea. The Caribbean Sea was home to tens of millions of sea turtles just 2 centuries ago, but numbers are estimated closer to the tens of thousands these days. Like many other marine vertebrates, sea turtles are threatened by bycatch, illegal poaching, habitat loss, climate change, and pollution. With bycatch, sea turtles are often accidentally caught in fishing or shrimping nets, and even on longline hooks. In 2007, fishing bycatch accounted for an estimate of 4,600 annual sea turtle deaths in the United States, with 98% of them occurring in the southeast Gulf of Mexico. Additionally, sea turtles are over-harvested and illegally poached for their meat and eggs as sources of food and income. To further investigate this issue, a research project conducted by Current Biology planted fake sea turtle eggs in 101 turtle nests on 4 beaches throughout Costa Rica. The results showed that a whopping 25% of the decoys were illegally taken. Unsustainable coastal development also acts as a major threat to sea turtles. Whether it's for hotels or residential high-rises, it can disturb or destroy sea turtle nesting habitats. Climate change has also played a major role in the dramatic decline in the sea turtle population. As previously discussed, egg temperature can determine the sex of a sea turtle's offspring. Therefore, warmer air and sand temperatures can easily result in fewer male hatchlings, thus disrupting efficient reproductive patterns. A recent study of loggerhead turtles in the United States showed that just a 1 degree increase in air temperature makes for a primarily female-biased sea turtle population. Warmer sea temperatures can also lead to increasingly severe storms, which can destroy nesting beaches or the reefs where turtles like to forage. Possibly the largest threat to sea turtles is pollution and polluted waters. Some species of sea turtles have highly specialized diets, like the leatherback sea turtle, which feeds almost entirely on jellyfish, or the hawksbill turtle, whose diet consists primarily of sea sponges. Sea turtles can mistake plastic bags for jellyfish or smaller debris for fish, algae, or other food sources. Based on studies from the US, Australia, South Africa, the East Indian Ocean, and Southeast Asia, it's estimated that up to 52% of sea turtles have ingested trash. In Brazil, a study of 50 dead stranded sea turtles found that plastic ingestion was the cause of death for 13.6% of the green sea turtles examined. A similar survey of loggerheads in the Adriatic Sea found marine debris inside the intestinal tracts of 35% of turtles, 68% of which were soft plastics. An increase in artificial light pollution from coastal infrastructure is another threat to nesting sea turtles, accounting for the loss of close to 1,800 sea turtles in the Caribbean over the last 2 decades. Lights from hotels and other buildings can discourage females from nesting or cause hatchlings to become disoriented and wander in the opposite direction of the ocean. All of these factors have worked together over the years to greatly affect the sea turtle population and the future for sea turtles. However, not all hope is lost for these turtles, as people from around the world are trying to save them. Organizations like the World Wildlife Fund help raise awareness for sea turtles and work with local communities to find solutions to problems like habitat loss. They have also collaborated with the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration to reduce turtle bycatch by developing special fishery lights, which has shown to reduce bycatch by 60 to 80%. Regular beach and ocean cleanups have also been organized to reduce the pollution in Fiji, Thailand, and Belize. Organizations have also created programs to take care of injured turtles in countries like Mexico. Massive fast food chains like McDonald's have converted to paper straws in an act to fight pollution. People are also being encouraged to use reusable shopping bags rather than single-use plastic bags. These are just a small number of ways humans are trying to help save our sea turtles, and maybe if we all work together, it will work.